Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Flex. Stock number is A7923. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook Optimo tires. Inside, leather interior. Second row bucket and third row seating. Your second row seats are heated seats. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Flex is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Flex on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.